Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sadia Sheikh, and I started my channel way back in 2020 just by putting a single vlog about my visit to my department in Jamia Millia Islamia, and till now it got some views. Later, I decided to continue with my channel, but with different sort of content. Now, I'm going to put everything about the digital marketing as I have been in this field, I'm working in this field, and also I'm going to pursue my further studies in this field only. So, to guide people who are interested in this field and want to know more about it and want to know that how what do you have to do to go further in this career or how they need to start in this career. So I'm going to cover all one by one. And if you have any question related to digital marketing, that what is digital marketing, what kind of scope this field has, so just put the question in the comment section, and I would like to make a video on that, um, answering to your questions related to that. So about me, I did my MBA in marketing as a major and international business a minor from Jamia Millia Islamia in 2020. After that, I was working in Czech as a subject matter expert. Later, I did a course in digital marketing and just I grew this interest in me about the digital marketing. So I started taking up some freelance projects through the Fiverr, Upwork, and other different platforms. And I just became so interested in that I thought that it would be my full-time career option. So I took a full-time job. My job is in USA, means it's just completely in USA. It's a work from home. I work as a digital marketing specialist. So my responsibilities have a different kind of things that I do, like email marketing, content writing, website management, and other kind of work. And then I cleared the UGC NET exam because somewhere deep down I wanted to teach student as well. So I was working as a visiting faculty in Asia Academy of Film and Television as a visiting faculty of digital marketing, and then I enrolled myself in PhD program of Birla Institute of Technology. I'm pursuing right now my PhD in digital marketing along with my job. My PhD is in part time. Also, for the course in a digital marketing, I did my course from IIM Kozhikode. It was around 7 to 8 month course that I did. So all these knowledge and all the freelance project, I'm also doing the consultation in digital marketing, and there is this particular video on my channel. You can go back and see that what kind of consultation I do, and generally these are the US or UK clients. So whatever you have related questions about the digital marketing, you can ask in the comment section, and I would love to make a video on that because, like I told you that I'm going to this field. I'm doing my PhD. I'm teaching in this field. I'm doing the consultation. I'm doing the full-time job there in this field. I feel that I have a plenty of knowledge to guide other students and whosoever wants to start their career in this field. So I would like to address that. Just ask me whatever you have related to digital marketing, and I would love to answer that. Thank you.